Welcome to Tech Thursday, edition number 1. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Helen Keller. This aligns with major goals that educators and educational leaders have for their students and staff. What is this really referring to? Student collaboration. But implementing that into the classroom has its challenges. Today's issue that we're going to focus on is student accountability. Student collaboration transfers responsibility. We can all agree to that. The pros to student collaboration are personal responsibility, learning interdependence, creativity, and learning from others. But we also know there are cons. How do you keep students on task? And how do you hold each student accountable for their fair share of the work? And how does the educator, the teacher, the staff member manage all of the projects? Today's focus is an EdTech tool that will help alleviate a bunch of these cons and actually move them to the pros column. The collaboration tool that we'll be working with today is Google Slides. The beauty of Google Slides is it teaches responsibility. It allows shared responsibility between collaborators. It allows real-time and logged monitoring for the educator. And it's 100% user-friendly. The number one top collaboration feature of using Google Slides for any type of collaboration is the fact that you can share a document. If you go to File, then Share, then the students can enter their email address as well as their teacher's address. That allows you to have full access to whatever they are working on. They can change security settings here, but overall, as long as your email address is in here, you are able to view the document at any time. Let's take a look at one feature that is crucial for teachers to be able to monitor student work, as well as empowering students in a group to monitor each other, and that is the last revisions section. So if you click right here, it opens up a tab and it gives you a quick summary of the last revision histories. If you go to the bottom, it says show more detailed revisions. With that, you can see step by step revisions that someone has made. And you can also go back to that revision. If you look on the left side of the screen, it actually highlights where the revision was made. And it gives you color coding so you can see which participant actually changed or edited or modified what was on the screen. So if a student is claiming that they did work, but then you go and see that they're not on the revision history log, you know that there is some discrepancy in what was going on in that group work. Another neat feature to help keep everyone organized is going to File and going to Email Collaborators. If you click there, as the educator, you can actually send an update email to everyone who's a part of that document. This is where you could type notes, feedback, individual notes, or you can send it to the whole group. And you can also send a copy to yourself so you can remember what exactly you sent. This is an important feature, especially if you're going to have a long-term project that they'll be collaborating on. The participants in this group can also use this as a collaboration tool. A third feature that is very helpful for both the collaborators and for the educator is the comment feature. If you click comment, it actually will select the whole screen, or if you want to discuss a specific part, you can highlight it and hit the comment button and type your comment. This allows you to send instant feedback. Once you do so, it pops up on the screen for all of those involved in the document. They can comment back, or they can click resolved once they've seen the notification. So collaborators can hold each other accountable as well as the educator. Using Google Slides is a great option to hold students accountable when working in a collaborative setting. Having a set structure, list of expectations, and checkpoints along the way will just enhance the features that already exist in Google Slides. Thank you so much for listening and taking part in today's presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Twitter at LeckyTheTechie or at my email address.